Guys, you want to see something awesome? Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna be sweet. Check it out. Wolfsburg West. Amazing. I just ordered this a few days ago and it's already here. I'm on the East Coast, they're on the West Coast. Got here in just a few days. This is exciting. Let's open this box and see what we've got. All right, here we go. Yes. All right, the suspense is killing me. Let's open one of these babies. Wow. Look at that. Man, that's nice. That's probably what it looked like right from the factory. Wow. That is beautiful. It's awesome. You can tell they're very well made, high quality, very nice. I'll put it side by side with one of the originals that came off the panel van. So there's one of the wheels that was on the van when I got it. You can see it's in pretty bad shape. And here's the other three. Could probably salvage a couple of these, but they do have some pretty bad nicks and rust. I will hold on to them. But I really wanted to get a nice set of original style rims and nice tires so that we don't have any issues with it rolling straight and being balanced and just being safe. Wow. Those are really nice rims. Alright guys, here's the original wheels. As you can see, they're in pretty bad shape. I might be able to salvage a couple of these, and I will hold on to them just because of the, you know, they are original to the truck. But you can see this one's in pretty bad shape. It's kind of started to rust all the way through here, so I don't really want to be driving around on these, although I will hold on to them. You can see this one's even worse. This one's really bad. There's no way to use this one again. And then you've got the new ones. Wolfsburg West is top notch when it comes to classic Volkswagen restoration parts. I mean, these guys, I don't know how they do it, but this is an exact replica of the original style rims. And look how nice and solid. Beautiful. I can't wait to get some tires on these and get them on the truck. It's gonna be so nice. Alright, let's dig out the other three. Awesome. These guys are the best. Hands down. Amazing company. Can't wait to get those on. That's gonna be so cool. They're freaking beautiful. Guys, if you need anything for your classic vintage air-cooled Volkswagen, go to Wolfsburg West. See ya.